All right, let's not waste any time. Let's get down to brass tacks. We're going to talk about the most valuable resource in your life. And no, it's not money, it's your time. A lot of people don't know where the heck they're spending their time on. And you know what the problem is? They think they're going to live forever. People are in denial of the fact that they have limited time and that they're going to die one day. And after you get over the fact that you're going to die, that's when you start living. Because a lot of people tell me, oh, why are you being so depressing, Sam? Why are you telling me this stuff? Because you're acting like it's not going to happen. That's why I need to remind you of it. There's actually a whole book called The Denial of Death, why human beings are in denial of this concept of death. And that's why they're not moving forward. That's why people spend most of their time in anger, resentment, problems that they can overcome easily, but because they think they're going to live forever. Anyway, that's a whole new concept. But I want you to audit your time, where you spend your time. If you tell me where you spend your time and which people you're spending the most time with, I can predict where you're going to be in the future. Definitely. So, if you're not moving forward, audit your time. Write down, make a log every hour. Where are you spending it? Who are the people that you're spending it with? Okay? Are these people moving you forward? Are they keeping you in your place? Are they moving you backwards? Are they bringing you down? Are you spending your time on shit that matters? Shit that moves you forward, not backwards? Or a lot of people spend their time on stuff that doesn't do anything, like TV, social media. If your business is run by social media, that's something else. But if you're just spending your time just swishing or whatever you do on your phone, you're just going down or scrolling up or scrolling down, I don't know what the fuck it is, okay, and just watching people, then you're not doing anything. You're not moving forward. A lot of people tell me, I want to do this and I want to do that. I log their time and I figure out that they're really doing useless shit. And the problem is, it's not that they're spending their time on people that don't do anything, on people that don't matter to them. And people that don't push them forward, they actually drag them down. So, log your time. Where do you spend your time? Audit the people you spend the time with, the most people you spend the time with, because you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with in your life. Audit these two and then make the necessary changes. So I hope that helps. Write me a comment. Tell me, where do you spend your time? What are the actions? Because the name of the game is focus. What do you focus on in your time to move you forward? And what type of people do you need to spend time with that also move you forward? Okay? So share the video if you like it as well. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There's a lot of resources that you can use. And remember, Sam's got your back.